In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert colors in Photoshop. This is a great technique if you're looking to create a striking visual effect or simply want to experiment with your image in a different way. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, open your image in Photoshop. This might seem like an obvious step, but ensuring your image is loaded before you dive into adjustments is crucial. Once it's open, direct your attention to the Layers panel, typically found on the right side of your interface. If it's not visible, you can always access it by navigating to Window and then selecting Layers from the drop-down menu. Once you have your image ready in the Layers panel, we're going to add a new adjustment layer. Adjustment layers are incredibly useful because they allow you to make changes to your image that are non-destructive, meaning you can tweak or remove these effects at any point without permanently altering the original image. To do this, click on Layer in the top menu, then hover over New Adjustment Layer and find Invert in the list that appears. When you select Invert, a dialog box will pop up. Click OK to proceed. What you've just created is an invert adjustment layer, sitting right above your image layer. This layer takes the colors from your image and flips them to their opposites on the color wheel. For example, whites turn to black and blues turn to orange. It can give your image an entirely different mood and feel. Now, if you're pleased with how your entire image looks with this inversion, you're good to go. However, if you find that you only want certain parts of your image to be inverted while keeping other parts unchanged, you'll need to use a mask on your adjustment layer. Masks are powerful tools in Photoshop that allow for this kind of specific detail work. To apply a mask, you'll notice there's already a white box on the right side of your invert adjustment layer in the Layers panel, which represents the mask. To edit this mask using the Brush tool, simply select it from the toolbar or press B on your keyboard. Painting with black on this mask will hide the effects of the adjustment layer in those areas, meaning those parts of your image will remain as they originally were. Conversely, painting with white will reapply the inverted effect. As you blend these effects across your image, feel free to experiment by increasing or decreasing the brush opacity and hardness to achieve the perfect level of detail and transition. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've now successfully inverted colors in Photoshop, allowing your creativity to soar and opening new possibilities for your artistic endeavors. Thanks for joining me, and happy editing!